Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use sustained hits in Warhammer 40k 10th edition. To do this, first you need to be either in the fight phase or shooting phase, then make sure that your profile has sustained hits, and there's also a number next to it, so usually when it says sustained hits you may have a different number next to that. And then now when we move to actual fighting, so let's say that this guy is shooting at this guy and he has sustained hits on that weapon, we can roll dices. Let's say that there's two dices that we need to roll. And now let's say that both of those rolls were 6. That means we scored critical hit, and we can activate the sustained hits, which adds additional hit for each critical hit that we've made. So that means we can add 2 dices to the wound roll. Now this may change since some profiles allow you to score critical hits on 5. So if you have that rule, then if you roll 5 in a hit roll, it also counts as a sustained hit. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.